All right, let's start this video here. Oh, focus. So I got my Cayman. I did not record anything that I did. Actually, I recorded a little bit. Maybe I can pull out some clips. I'll throw it right here.
It'll be a lot better.
Oh yeah. But these are the clips of getting the bumper, getting it done. Installing it was a lot. It's not perfectly fitted or anything, but there's a process to this. But it's on. I've taken it everywhere. It's been a couple weeks with it on the front bumper, GT4 front bumper, and I got the headlights. These are painted black housing, PPF'd, and so now this is here. I got my sand rail. I don't even talk about that yet. What is this? It is a carbon fiber GT3 RS hood. And I mean, it's taken a couple months to come in, but it's here and I should be installing it today. I gotta go to Georgia tomorrow, but you know, maybe I'll record some of the Georgia stuff. But yeah, the hood will be GT3 RS carbon fiber exposed. But yeah, man, getting this thing onto my trailer is not gonna be fun. Lighter than I thought. Hello. Carbon fiber hood. Straight from China. Check. Come here. Yeah, it's not guns.
I dropped the phone in there.
No, it's not a bomb. That's why they have the door there. It's not Mexican. What's my brake tool?
Huh?
What is my brake tool? Yes.
Oh.
It's not this broken snap-on.
Warranty.
It's probably gonna be this and a hammer. Alright. Or should I do a heat gun?
Heat gun.
Burn it, catch it on fire. Oh!
ASMR.
ASMR. It's gonna fall.
You'll hold it.
I didn't know they had staples in China. Wow. Very nice.
Hold it.
Very nice.
Wow. Wow.
Very light.
Wow.
That's good. Close up on that real carbon fiber. Real. Wow, fake vents.
Ooh.
Alright, let's do this. Now, next step is me actually installing it. I mean, they did a quality check before. Get these pins popped out. Oh my. And then I am reusing this bracket. T30. Boom. Oh my god, it's terrifying. But yeah, now she's naked. I'm gonna mock this up real quick before I even bolt shit on. Oh, I'm speechless. This is fucking beautiful. It's just laid on there. You see that gap right there? I took it off. I'm gonna be I need Fernando here. It'll be a lot better with 2 people, or else I'm gonna scratch something or break something. But while I wait, like I say, pay the good money, pay for some good reputable company to build your hood, because things like this, it's threaded, it's perfect. It fits right in, threads right in, just like that. The right thread, easy. It's literally perfect. Yeah! Yeah! It's the next day! Never that easy. All right. What is it? 8 a.m.?
8 a.m.
I'm actually gonna.
We just finished the video.
I'm gonna record us going to Georgia too.
It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. It took us all night to do.
And I have to adjust this that way, but it locks in. It looks pretty freaking fire.
So 12 hours.
2 days, just because I had to wait for the store to open. But yeah, we're going to Georgia. We're taking this to Clearwater, going to Georgia, get a Bronco, customizing it.
Oh, no. We've been here for 12 hours.
Oh, we've been here for 12 hours?
Yeah, then clickbait.
Clickbait.
We've been here for 12 hours.
Yeah, I gotta... Running everywhere right now, trying to clean shit up, but... Heading to Georgia, hooking up the trailer. I'm still contemplating. I don't know if I should do sticker or badge.
Sticker, bro.
Because it's a little indented.
Listen, that's indented for the nice sticker.
I got a thick
when
one.
Porsche added these stickers, they shaved 15 grams of weight. That
Yes.
is huge.
Putting this hood on, I added another
You
15.
need a 5 gram.
Fitment 41. It's a homie. He actually, so he's pulling it in, but he's got pretty much the same fucking car as me. Just a little better. I'll show the car a little later. Yeah. Fitment 41, Punta Gorda, Florida. He's prepping it right now. Yeah, never mind.
3M's actually a lot closer.
This is very close.
3M's gonna be a lot closer for you.
I completely forgot to record everything, but we're in Georgia. There's gnats everywhere.
Yo, this
Yeah.
is nice.
Yeah, we went to Georgia for this. It's like probably the best deal around.
Orange, the bright orange. We're
Yeah.
gonna do this white.
Yeah, that's gonna be white.
So the customer has a whole new build.
Yeah, this is.
So white roof.
Yeah, we're gonna put a roof, custom seats.
Bigger wheels and tires.
Yeah, bigger wheels. But like, you know, we could have built one, but buying one and just customizing it is a lot easier and it's a lot smarter. Yeah, it's sticker.
Sticker, perfect. Okay.
We have to get the same sticker.
You know, either way, because you never paint it, because look at the paint. It's very tricky.
Yeah.
So, dude, this is gonna be the easiest.
Yeah. And it even has a tailgate. Taillights work, headlights work. We gotta get this cut out.
What else? We're gonna do seat decking.
Yeah, seat decking, and then we could probably do seat decking. Yeah, we do seat decking here with the take off the carpet, seat deck. And then there's speakers already. This thing has cool little dials in here. We could probably make up a trim here.
Look at the brush bar or something. Like it's 6 bolts.
Yeah, it's on the frame. It's frame mounted fucking.
Hey guys, hey, look at this. Hey, the winch.
It's the winch. And then this. Oh my god, it has lights.
Yeah.
In here.
I know, I saw.
But this is so nice. Like, this is fitted better than my car.
Look at that part. We can repaint the lift kit.
Yeah. Fire. Success.
Dude, I'm glad that we came and it wasn't like a dud.
It's better than I thought.
It has a high-speed motor already in it.
It has a high-speed motor in it.
It's blue. Oh, we just.
Oh, this is such a dub.
This is such a dub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dude, the sound on the speakers are so clear. Look at that. We are back. Look at that little beauty.
Hey, YouTuber, what the fuck are the keys?
Driving all day. Look at that. Look at that lineup right there. Woo! Alright, if you actually watch it to the end, you get the rundown. I put a sticker. The alignment, I had to push it back to the left a little bit. The bumper is not fully flush, so I mean, it is the best it can get. I got a PPF'd. You can see the clips before this. I got a PPF'd, but you need to get a PPF. The carbon would change colors in the sun over time. But yeah, now it looks snazzy. It looks fucking sharp. I love it. In the future, I'm thinking of you could wrap the roof carbon, I don't know yet, but they do have the color matched white stripe that goes down to here, which would look pretty clean. But yeah, that sums it up. Quick random video, but I know people don't really have the balls to do this. Spend almost $2,000 on a hood, but it's worth it in the end. I waited 3 months for that hood, but honestly, it's the best deal.